427 of Bentley Moore checking out front. He's in the ATV Houston office right there. You can't miss him. He's in line green and red. And I think it's the 072 of Jones. So there's your 1-2 riders. The 427 of Bentley Moore. 072 of Jones. It's the 427 of Moore, the 072 of Jones. The 6, 19, I think. Hey, we got a battle with the 427 on board the 072 of Jones, your 1-2 rider. It is the 619 of Neff with the number 8 of Hinkle, the 03 of Clark with the number 19 of Brown with the number 22 of Webb. And the 927 of Surgeon. Oh, and that was a side-by-side finish. We're going to be calling that one. That's why we have scorekeepers right here. Right now on the line, it is race number 15. This is your ATV A Pro. ATV A Pro, the 69 Scott, the 918 of